Have you heard the word cryptocurrency? Do you know what it is yet? Are you wondering, how do I get invested into it? Well, guess what? I'm going to tell you right now. I can't tell you how much money you're going to make, but I can give you the right direction to actually try and start making some money. So let's get straight in after this disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education
Purposes only. I do it so we can hang out with you guys and hopefully make a little bit of money. Let's get straight in. So guys, I want to point you in the direction of thefool.com. All right, it's FOOL.com. Links are going to be down below. And there's a nice blog on here, how to invest in cryptocurrency. I'm going to give you my spin on it as well. So if you didn't know what cryptocurrency is, it's a type of digital currency that doesn't really rely on central authority to verify transactions. Instead, it's a cryptography to preventing counterfeiting. Now, you're probably looking thinking, George, what are you talking about? I knew this video wasn't for me. I'm going to make it super easy. It's a digital currency. That's all you need to know, right? At the start, all you need to know is this isn't physical paper. But when you invest into it, you can make it into physical paper. You can also lose that physical paper. Let's just be honest. Okay, it's blockchain technology. That's what you hear is everywhere. What's blockchain? What is? It's where we use our cryptocurrency. It's what supports it. So it consists of individual blocks of data that contain information about anything, such as transactions, specific cryptocurrency, anything like that. Okay. Now, the most important thing everyone keeps asking me is, George, how do you know which ones to get in? I don't have a magic wand. All right. I do my own research. You must do your own research too. But the best way to do it, okay, the best way before you pick any cryptocurrency is find out who owns it, who creates it, who the shareholders are, who is behind the project. If you've never heard of this person, if this person has never had a track record, there's a very little chance that it's going to make you a lot of money. I'm not saying it won't, because there has been times nobody knew the guy behind Bitcoin or woman at the time. Okay, now we do, but it's very unlikely to make money if everything is dark and no one knows who they are. Okay, so that's the number one thing you should do. Now, after that, there's a lot of other things you should dive into. Okay, what the currency means, how to even start your research on the currency. This is a long process. It might take you a long time, but these are the steps to get involved. Now, once you've found out and you've said, George, I have found one that is incredible, how do I get it now? That's the next important question. You've got to find yourself a cryptocurrency exchange. All right, most brokers don't support in-trade cryptocurrency. So Coinbase, probably one of the most popular exchanges on the market. That's one you can go on. Robinhood, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com, anything like that. All right, SoFi. They're incredible exchanges. So basically what I'm saying to you is find an exchange. An exchange literally looks like this. This is what an exchange is, right? We're looking at Coinbase right now, and it shows you all the cryptos, what prices are at, and how to buy them. So once you've founded your exchange, you're gonna have to buy the crypto. Now, there is videos on this channel showing you how to buy crypto. If not, you can on your other YouTube channels. Okay, literally use your card, use your debit card to buy crypto and store it in fiat and start trading it in crypto. Okay, advantages and drawbacks. I don't need to read this out to you. The advantages are you are adopting the Web3 lifestyle. I truly believe that in the future we'll all be only using crypto. Okay, that's only my opinion and a lot of people's opinion. You're investing your money into something that can make bigger yields than the banks will give you. You become the bank in some cases. Okay, you got diversification, return potential, additional utility, limited regulation, high volatility. One of the biggest things that we talk about in the crypto world is the fact that it's decentralized. All right, the blockchain technology makes us in charge. We decide if it's a real transaction. We decide the things that go on. Okay, not a man behind a desk in a bank that went to university to get a degree that has no idea about my finances. Okay, that's how this works. It's incredible. So guys, it's not easy, but it's worth it. I hope some of you enjoyed that, guys. Please let us know down below in the comments. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you on the next video.